Hi, I'm Dr. Dudley. I'm going to give a demonstration on how to give ear medication to a cat. Okay, so we want to tilt the head up slightly, about just a little bit. Okay, gently grab the ear, and we're going to put 3 drops into the ear canal, resting the hand against the head so the hand doesn't move as we're giving the ear medication. 2, 3. And then after we give it, we just want to gently squeeze that ear and work it down to the base of the ear. They have an L-shaped ear canal. I want to make sure it gets all the way down there to the eardrum. And that's how you give ear medication to a cat.